Here's the coolest hatchback on the road, and it's for sale here at Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. This is Jeff, and today I'd like to show you this 2025 Nissan Kicks SR Premium. Beautiful vehicle, loaded with some great equipment, and it's got crazy low miles. Around back, rear park assist sensors, lots and lots of cargo room. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. 17-inch wheels with a great set of Bridgestone tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. It's gun metallic with charcoal gray interior. Factory roof rack, optional crossbars, color keyed door handles, and mirror caps. LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, forward collision sensor in the middle of the grille. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Power panoramic moonroof. Bucket seats, illuminated kick plates. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor, located in your rearview mirror. Controls for your optional halo LED lights around the panoramic moonroof. Really cool. Automatic headlights, auto dimming, high beam headlights. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 1,700 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera. Heating and air controls, heated seats, driver and passenger, push button start, inductive, wireless cell phone charging, dual USB charging ports, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, Carfax vehicle history report, and those moonroof controls in the overhead console. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Kicks SR Premium, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.